Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share my first attempt at making a t-shirt using the Cricut maker and also my Easy Press. So here I have a burgundy shirt that I bought from Hobby Lobby by Gildan. It's 100% cotton, and I'm using the Siser Easy Weed Stretch HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. And I have already found a project in the Cricut design space, which is this really cute like afro textured, it's like a silhouette of a lady with her afro. It says "My hair, my life, our history." I love this shirt because I really can relate to this shirt. I don't know how many stories I can tell about people making a big deal about my hair, but anyways, back to where we are in this video. So this is my first attempt at making a t-shirt. So I cut the vinyl, and I cut it with the shiny side down. I heat pressed it with the shiny side up. So after I weeded out all the pieces that didn't go in the design, that's where the video started. Me showing you guys me using 4 fingers from the neckline down to where I wanted to start my design. And then I went online, the Cricut.com, looked up the Easy Press heat guide, and for everyday iron on, the guide said 300 degrees for 15 seconds. So before I started, I did press the shirt a little bit with a little heat for a few seconds. But as y'all can see in this video, I had to I used parchment paper in between my vinyl transfer and the actual heat from the press, so that I didn't melt the heat transfer or anything like that. I used parchment paper that I had here. And I also don't have one of the heat transfer mats by Cricut, so I did use a towel instead. So it took me several presses on the 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds in order to get my design to stick. And sorry about my head being in the way, but yeah, so I didn't want to cut that part out. However, I did, after I pressed it a few times, I did finally just walk away from it, let it cool down. When I came back, it was easy to peel off, so I peeled it off, and that's where y'all saw me start back the video, where I was pressing the back. But I did want to leave that in as a first attempt. I really like the way that this t-shirt came out, but I'm definitely gonna have to practice with this, and just practice with my settings. And the guide, I'm probably gonna have to print that out and just laminate it and keep the copy of the guide, because I do plan on making lots and lots more t-shirts. And I also have a canvas bag that I want to do another video, and hopefully it'll be a better video and a little bit more informative. But as a beginner, this is like my very first time. I do believe that this came out really well, and I do feel like as a beginner I expected to have some kind of hiccups. I didn't really expect the t-shirt to come out perfect. However, it did in the end. So I would say to anybody who is a first time using the heat press, and anybody the first time using the Cricut maker and getting into this heat transfer vinyl and things like that, that don't give up. Just keep trying it. Play around with your machines. Play around with different materials and different vinyl. And see what you get. A lot of times you learn these things through trial and error, because I did watch a lot of videos here on YouTube to kind of get a start off on what I should do, and they really did help. But also I feel like you will learn more on your own through trial and error. But definitely, if you don't want to ruin a brand new t-shirt, use an old piece of fabric, or something like that, if you're just kind of playing around and trying to get your feel of this machine and of the mediums that you're using to make your shirts or your clothing or whatnot. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and share this video with you guys. I know it's been a week or so, maybe more, since I uploaded a video for you guys. But let me tell you, since Christmas, since my last video that I uploaded, and I told you guys all about my Cricut maker and everything, I haven't started school. I don't go back until the 21st. So I've been trying to do as much with this machine and do as many crafty projects as I can before school starts. So I'm sorry if I haven't been uploading more videos, but I do want to do some Valentine's Day embellishments, and I also have a haul that I want to share with you guys from AliExpress. Pretty much, I'm not gonna say everything is in, but most of the things that I ordered from Ali are in. They all kind of trickle in, so I've been kind of saving them in a little basket so that I can go over those things with you guys and share them with you guys. I really love their dyes. They're super affordable. It just takes a while to get those packages in. Anyway, on a side note, I'll be showing you guys some more projects that I've been using with my Cricut maker, and I also got the We Are Memory Keepers Spin It because I have been loving doing the DIY glitter tumblers. I have been loving it, so that's been taking up a lot of my time. Just wanted to let you guys know that, and I'll share that with you guys. And if you're interested in seeing some of what I've been doing lately, you can go check it out on my Instagram. The link will be in the description below. If you're interested in any of the cups, reach out to me, email me, message me. I'm loving doing it. I'm really enjoying it. I just do need to get back into, I got a couple more card videos I want to get out. I just got so much stuff I want to do, but not that much time. So anyways, this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna kind of let you guys watch from here on out. I'm basically just pressing again, and I think this may be coming up to the point where I decided to just go ahead after this press and just step away from, because that one little corner at the bottom on this this shirt design, it was really centered. I'm not sure, but finally I stepped away, came back, I pulled that transfer tape off, and it worked. So I don't know if I was not letting it cool down long enough, but it worked that time. And so here I am just kind of pressing over the back of the shirt. I'm doing it with the towel in. I don't know why, but then I'm just gonna press it again after I take the towel off, and that's gonna do it for this video. I am in love with my little shirt. I like the fact that you can make already put together designs from Design Space, and so this was just a quick and easy t-shirt design. So I really like it, and yeah. Anyway, I think that'll do it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, suggestions, leave them below. And if you're not subscribed, click the link below again to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.